In the deep silence of space, where darkness cradles unfathomable mysteries, a lone, ominous presence appears against our familiar night sky. Imagine looking up and seeing a dark void where stars once sparkled, a mysterious black hole, an enigma that defies all we know of physics. Tonight, we embark on a journey into this cosmic abyss, a place where gravity reigns supreme and the very fabric of time bows to its will. This is the story of what might happen if Earth found itself perilously close to one of these colossal beasts. Our adventure begins with a quiet but undeniable curiosity. Black holes are not simply empty voids. They are regions in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, no light, no matter, no hope can escape its spell. Born from the catastrophic collapse of massive stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel, black holes represent the ultimate test of nature's extremes. Their formation is a dance of destruction and rebirth. As a dying star's core succumbs to gravity, it crushes itself into a singularity, a point of infinite density surrounded by an event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can return. Envision a stage set not in the glow of familiar celestial bodies, but in the haunting interplay of warped light and jagged shadows. As we drift into a contemplative silence, the initial wonder of this cosmic phenomenon deepens into a stark realization. What if, in a twist of fate, such a phenomenon found its way into our solar system? The very proximity of a black hole could unravel the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Visualize Earth as a fragile orb spinning gracefully in a carefully orchestrated dance around the sun, its face bathed in the comforting warmth of a star. Now, picture that harmony disrupted by the silent, relentless pull of an interloper, a black hole drawing near, a cosmic behemoth that threatens to throw our world into chaos. Slowly, the narrative unfolds into a series of dramatic events. One of the first warnings of this approach would be the distortion of Earth's orbit, an erratic waltz as gravitational forces clash. The gentle pull of our sun might be counterbalanced by an ominous tug from the black hole, shifting the planet's course in unpredictable ways. Tides, once predictable and rhythmic, would swell and recede with a disquieting ferocity. The natural order we've taken for granted would give way to catastrophic geological upheavals, a series of tremors and tsunamis that serve as a bleak reminder of our vulnerability amidst cosmic forces. In the heart of this unfolding drama, we encounter another mind-bending consequence of black hole physics: time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the closer you get to a powerhouse of gravity, the slower time moves relative to those further away. In the vicinity of a black hole, what feels like minutes for an observer could stretch into hours, days, or even years for someone far removed from its influence. Imagine a scenario where time itself decelerates, where moments lose the urgency of fleeting seconds, extending into an eerie, sluggish cadence. This is not just theoretical. It is a profound testament to the malleability of the universe when confronted with forces beyond our typical experience. As our narrative deepens into the realm of science interwoven with drama, the visual tapestry grows ever more striking. Picture the accretion disk, a swirling maelstrom of superheated matter spiraling into the abyss. This chaotic ring of plasma glows with fierce intensity, illuminating the surrounding darkness in a final, frantic dance. Yet for all its incandescent display, the disk is a one-way journey to oblivion. Here, matter is stretched, twisted, and ultimately absorbed into a black hole's relentless maw. The concept, while grounded in rigorous physics, conjures images of nature's raw, unbridled power, a beauty so mesmerizing that it is at once both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Every scientific nuance serves as a harbinger of the potential catastrophe. The black hole, with its immense gravitational pull, exerts an overwhelming influence on the passage of time and the fabric of space itself. Light, which ordinarily travels in straight lines, is forced to bend around the massive object, leading to bizarre phenomena such as gravitational lensing. Stars and galaxies that lie in the background appear distorted, as if seen through an otherworldly-looking glass. This is no mere optical illusion, but rather a tangible manifestation of the extreme curvature of space-time. You can almost feel the weight of every photon as it struggles to navigate the warped terrain of gravity. As the drama escalates, so too does the inherent conflict. Humanity, our relentless will to understand and explore, finds itself juxtaposed against the indifferent, all-consuming might of a black hole. It is a tale of discovery and danger, a reminder that while we strive to unravel the secrets of the universe, we are but small, fragile beings in the shadow of forces that have shaped cosmic history over eons. There is a poignant irony in our quest for knowledge. The more we learn about the universe's grand design, its hidden forces and enigmatic phenomena, the more we become aware of our own precarious position in the cosmic tapestry. Now, let us journey further into this unfolding narrative, where the subtle threatens to become catastrophic. The ever-approaching black hole raises a chilling question. How close is too close for comfort? As the gravitational tug intensifies, Earth's orbit would warp, shifting in unpredictable ways. The blue planet, once a beacon of stability, finds itself in a gravitational tug-of-war. The slow, deliberate pull of a black hole would disrupt the predictable rhythm of Earth's celestial dance, as if a cosmic puppeteer were to abruptly change the script of a well-rehearsed performance. The serene blue skies would give way to haunting visions of bent light and skewed constellations, signaling that the rules of physics as we know them no longer apply. In these moments of mounting tension, the narrative takes on an almost apocalyptic quality. The planet tilts, the oceans surge, and time, the very essence of our experience, becomes a fluid, malleable anomaly. The once familiar rhythms of day and night would be replaced by a stuttering sequence of unsettling time lapses, where seconds stretch into infinity. Observing these changes would be akin to witnessing the hands of a clock slow to a maddening crawl, every moment fraught with the realization that the known order of existence is on the verge of collapse. Yet, within this cosmic turmoil lies an opportunity for introspection and profound revelation. As the final act of our narrative unfolds, the descent into the black hole becomes not just a scientific inevitability, but a metaphor for the human condition. In our brief sojourn through the cosmos, we have always grappled with the dual forces of creation and destruction. The black hole, a conduit of both, mirrors our own internal struggles, a reminder that in the darkest, most overwhelming moments, there exists a raw, unfiltered beauty. It is in this dramatic convergence of science and emotion that we confront our cosmic fragility. Earth, cradled in the delicate balance between gravity and inertia, becomes a symbol for the precarious nature of existence. The impending descent into the abyss is not simply an astronomical event, but a narrative about the limits of human control in the vast, indifferent universe. The story of the black hole is one of both wonder and warning, a tale that speaks to the eternal conflict between our drive to understand and the ultimate unpredictability of natural forces. As the imagery intensifies, picture a descent into that endless void, where light and matter are consumed by an insatiable hunger. The once vibrant Earth, with its lush life and vibrant energy, would be drawn inexorably towards the event horizon. In this final dramatic plunge, every phenomenon we have explored converges. The distortion of space and time, the relentless gravitational pull, and the eerie silence of a cosmos that is no longer bound by familiar laws. It is a powerful crescendo, a moment where science and existential dread meld into a single stunning vision of cosmic annihilation. And yet, even as the inevitable twilight of our world draws near, there is room for reflection. The black hole, in all its terrifying majesty, invites us to ponder deeper questions about our place in the universe. It is a stark reminder of the impermanence that underlies all matter and energy, a call to appreciate the fragile beauty of our existence. As we stand on the precipice of cosmic oblivion, we find solace in the realization that every discovery, every challenge, is a part of a larger, awe-inspiring tapestry. The mysteries of black holes are not just scientific puzzles to be solved. They are windows into our own limitations, our own vulnerability, and ultimately, our own resilience. In these final moments of our narrative, the darkness surrounding the black hole gives way to a meditative calm, a poignant pause, where the chaotic forces of nature recede to reveal the quiet truth of our existence. The cosmic lens through which we view our world becomes a mirror, reflecting our hopes, fears, and the relentless pursuit of understanding. The interplay between destruction and creation, chaos and order, is the heartbeat of the universe, a rhythm that continues long after our fleeting moments of consciousness have passed. As we prepare to close this chapter on one of the most dramatic episodes of cosmic storytelling, it is important to hold on to the lessons we have learned. The story of a black hole and its potential threat to Earth is a testament to the power and mystery of the universe. It challenges us to embrace both awe and caution as we venture further into the unknown. Our delicate planet, suspended in a vast and unpredictable cosmos, stands as a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming forces, the pursuit of knowledge and the desire to understand our world can illuminate the darkest corners of existence. In the end, the black hole is not merely a harbinger of doom, but a profound symbol of nature's duality, a force that inspires both fear and wonder. It calls us to reflect on where we come from and where we are headed, nudging us to consider our place in a universe where every answer only leads to more questions. As our journey through the heart of darkness comes to a close, we are left with an enduring message that in contemplating the vast, unfolding mystery of black holes, we may yet find the courage to face the unknown. Join us as we journey into the heart of darkness to uncover the mysteries and potential perils of black holes.